So a lot has happened this year that will make some of these politicians, some want to even go and hang themselves. Most especially the way these obedience are doing. Obedience, they shock everybody. I was in Lagos. It seems like I was seeing Showolu everywhere. Showolu day for club. I went to W Bar. I saw Showolu. I went out some of these crazy websites. I see Showolu doing like this. Showolu is doing adverts everywhere. Showolu is now giving people reason to want to vote for him. I didn't know Showolu was an hairdresser. I didn't know he has so many talents. He could even repair cars. I didn't know he could clean a house for people. I didn't know he could drive a bus. I didn't know Showolu could do all those things. But now, because of the pressure from obedience, obedience, see, there are some things people are doing that I don't like. How will an innocent man be doing a live video and you be going there to do LOP 17 LOP? Is bad now. You push, you respect somebody. Obedience, they hold on too much this period. Now you attention every single politician this period. Everybody's trying to now work hard to make sure, unlike before, everybody will just do what they like and they will just rig election. Now, even with the rig that you people know that you want to rig election, you are still scared of obedience. Obedience don't do things this period. Import and export. You have tried this period, God, obedience.